Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to watch any Netflix movie free of charge without paying. So if you know that this is what you will need in this channel, please make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss my update. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, head over to your Play Store or App Store. Download this app. It is called Mail Movie. It is found on App Store too. So once you download it, open the app and agree on everything that you see. Allow, continue, allow. So let the app opens up. You can see it now. Once the app open, you just click. Let's watch one movie. Let's see how it is. So once you click it, you click on this watch now. Hope you are getting it. You click on this watch now. So once you click on this watch now, this is the most important part. This is how it looks on your Android too. This is the most important part. Just click on install plugin. This install plugin, this is the first one you choose. You choose the first one, which is v something. So just click on install. Once you install it, you go back, you can click on watch. Okay, so let it load up. So you guys now, because I choose this vid src vip plugin, it doesn't work, so you have to check another plugin. So you see there are many plugins you can choose. If one did not work, just try another one, install another one, and you go back to watch now. So after I choose this film msy.online plugin, so I click on this watch now. You can see that this one is opening. It's different from the other one that shows error. So you just wait. You can see it. You can see that it opens. So that is how it is. You can see it. So once you see that the other one is not working, just try and use another plugin. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. That is it. I want to teach you guys one thing. This app now, you may see ads, maybe ads popping up when you are watching the movie. I'll share you some tip that you can use. I'll share the app. It's only on App Store, only on iPhone. So you can use the app to block the ads. Sure you understand. So I will be dropping. You see the video now. So to remove ads, because some of the movie may be watching on that mail movie app, it may show ads. So to remove ads, to block the ads, you will need to download this app. Just download this Purge app. If you download it, open the app. Once you open the app, set your pin and enable the firewall. You can see already connected to it. That is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really like this video. Subscribe and drop comments in this comment section so that you don't miss my video every time I drop it.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.